Hi everyone! Are you ready to explore your inner world to discover the surprises waiting within? Welcome to Connect Within TV. Today, we are cracking the code to your personality type to unlock your full potential and uncover your hidden gifts. As I mentioned in my previous video, MBTI will be a key part of this series. But before we get started, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of what MBTI is all about. So let's start with the basics by defining personality. In today's image driven society, it is common for people to associate their physical appearance with their identity more than their inner qualities. This narrow focus causes an unbalanced sense of identity with self worth fluctuating based on external opinions. This toxic dynamic fuels comparison and competition. But when self worth is rooted in personal principles, it empowers us with unshakable confidence and self acceptance, regardless of what others think. Therefore, personality refers to a unique blend of characteristics, traits, and patterns that define a person's behaviors, thoughts, and feelings. This distinct combination shapes how we interact with others, experience emotions, approach challenges, make decisions, and grow in life. Let's start with some background information on the MBTI before learning to crack our personality code. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator has a fascinating history. It all started with Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist. He observed that people think and behave in their own unique styles and identified 16 unique personality types. Later, Isabel Briggs Myers and her mother, Catherine Cook Briggs, expanded on Jung's idea. Together, they created the MBTI, a tool powerful enough to discover our strengths, weaknesses, and to better understand ourselves. Today, this tool is widely used to promote self awareness and foster healthy relationships. It's a questionnaire that asks about your likes and interests, and based on your choices, it puts you into one of 16 personality types. Each type has its own strengths, weaknesses, communication style, career preferences, and personal growth opportunities. MBTI is based on four dimensions and it says each person has a preferred way of getting energy, taking in information, making decisions, and dealing with the world. These dimensions are number 1, extroversion versus introversion. Number 2, sensing versus intuition. Number 3, thinking versus feeling. And number 4, judging versus perceiving. As you can see, each dimension has two different options, such as extroversion or introversion, and each person tends to lean more towards one side of each dimension. According to MBTI theory, while people use both dimensions, one side is preferred more than the other, at least 51% of the time. The first dimension is E versus I. E stands for extrovert and I stands for introvert. It determines where you focus your attention and energy, either outwardly towards social interactions or inwardly towards your own thoughts. The second dimension is S versus N. S stands for sensing and N stands for intuition. It determines how you perceive and process information. You either focus on hard facts and ground realities or are inclined towards your own intuition and focus on the bigger picture. The third dimension is T versus F. T stands for thinking and F stands for feeling. It indicates which decision making approach you lean towards. You are either a logical head person or an emotional heart person. The fourth and the last dimension is J versus P. J stands for judging and P stands for perceiving. It highlights that you are either a plain and organized type or a go with the flow kind of person. You can exhibit traits from both sides depending on your situation and environment, but what you prefer reflects your overall orientation, such as your cognitive, emotional, or behavioral patterns. For example, you might enjoy being around people but need a long time to recharge. So, your preferred side would be I over E, which makes you more of an introvert. Now that you're pretty much aware of four dimensions, let me help you to understand the four dimensions and letter selection process using an example to learn how to decode your personality type. As you know, each dimension represents two contrasting options denoted by two letters. You will select the one letter from each dimension that describes you best. For instance, If you are an introvert, select I from the first dimension. If you process information through intuition, select N from the second dimension. If you make decisions with feelings, select F from the third dimension. And if you approach life with a judging mindset that values planning and organization, select J from the first dimension. Combine these letters and you get a 4-letter personality code, which is INFJ. Your preferences reveals your specific personality type. The first and last letter of your personality type shows how you approach and interact with the world around you. It reflects how you recharge and where you focus your attention. It also influences your approach towards life and determines if you are an organized person or handle things spontaneously. The two middle letters of your personality type reveal how your mind operates, particularly how do you process information. Is it through sensing or intuition? And how do you evaluate the information and make decisions? Is it through thinking or feeling? Now is the time to crack your personality code. Understand each domain and choose your preferred letters, one from each side. Let's begin with the first dimension, which is E versus I. If your love for engaging with the external world and social interactions boosts your mood, then you are an extrovert. Choose E. But if you feel happy, fulfilled, and energetic with your own thoughts, ideas, and experiences, then you are an introvert. Choose I. The second dimension is S versus N. If you pay attention to details, your preference side is more likely to be sensing. Choose S. But if you are someone who pays attention to patterns and connect the dots, you are more likely to be an intuitive person. Choose N. The third dimension is T versus F. Choose T if your preferred side is thinking. You make decisions based on logic and prioritized reasoning. But if your decisions are based on collective harmony and you prioritize empathy and compassion, your feeling side is dominating. Choose F. The fourth and the last dimension is J versus P. If you are someone who comes to conclusions quickly and has a clear plan in your mind, then your inclined side is judging. Choose J. But if you are a more flexible person, adapt to a changing circumstances, and are more open to new possibilities, then you are likely to be inclined towards perceiving. Choose P. The suspense is over and your personality profile is ready. Put those 4 letters together and tada! You have got your amazing personality type. While we all possess and utilize all 4 dimensions, our personality type typically defaults to a preferred order. However, with self-awareness and personality type knowledge, we can consciously adapt and switch the order to suit specific situations or circumstances. This flexibility allows us to grow, learn, and respond effectively to various challenges. Understanding our 4-letter personality code unlocks our unique gifts, abilities, and potential, as no two individuals are the same. It gives us insights into our exceptional skills and where we can absolutely rock at the top of our game. This 4-letter code uncovers our communication styles, learning patterns, ideal environment, career paths, our potential blind spots, and challenges. MBTI is a powerful tool for our personal growth, interpersonal relationships, and strategies for success. I hope this explanation has helped you gain a deeper understanding of your personality type and its unique code. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore each type in depth, including yours, to gain more personalized insights into your personality, behavior, and hidden gifts. So, have you cracked the code to your personality type? What is your 4-letter combo? Post your results in the comments below and let us know what drives you. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and fancy liberal you.